In this video, we'll see how to make super delicious ice cream cake. So this cake has got a base of cake and chocolate ice cream on top. It tastes fantastic. Let's get started. First, we need to preheat the Kadhai. So put half cup salt, place a stand, and I'm going to use a plate because I'm using a springform mold and sometimes the batter leaks. It comes out slightly, so just to be on the safer side, I use a plate. So preheat this at medium flame for 10 minutes. Now in a bowl, take half cup milk. The milk should be at room temperature. Add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence or extract. 2 tablespoon oil. Use any flavorless oil. Do not use mustard or coconut or peanut oil. Add half cup all-purpose flour or maida, 6 tablespoon powdered sugar, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. To measure 1/8 teaspoon, you can take your 1/4 teaspoon and take half of it. So sift a little ingredients at a time and then mix so that you do not get lumps. Do not overmix the batter. Just before putting it in the mold, add 1 teaspoon vinegar or lemon juice. It reacts with the soda and makes the cake really nice and fluffy. Add this batter to your cake tin. I'm using a 7-inch cake tin so that we get a thin layer of cake at the bottom and a thick layer of ice cream on top. So after preheating your Kadhai, you need to bake this cake at medium flame for 10 minutes and then lower the flame and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. And you can now see the OTG or convection instructions on the screen. So the cake is hot right now and we need to let it cool down. It would not take a lot of time because it's a thin cake. Now in a saucepan or any other pan, heat half cup milk, 4 tablespoon cocoa powder. I'm using Dutch processed, however you can use natural cocoa powder. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, make sure it does not burn and then let it cool down. Now after the cake cools down, take it out of the mold. You can see the cake layer is thin. So if you have a smaller cake tin, you can reduce the amount of cake and the ice cream mixture accordingly. So this is my 7-inch cake tin, the same cake tin which I have lined with a transparency sheet. If you do not have this, you can also use butter paper. Put the cake inside and now we are going to prepare the ice cream mixture which will go on top of this cake. Now in a bowl, take 1 cup cold whipping cream. The whipping cream I'm using here is already sweetened, so I am not going to add a lot of sugar to it. Just to balance the chocolate flavor, I'm going to add some condensed milk. So this is the prepared chocolate sauce. Add half cup condensed milk. You can also use homemade condensed milk. Give everything a good mix. Just to combine everything well, I'm going to use a spatula now. Now pour this ice cream mixture on top of the cake. Sprinkle some choco chips. This step is totally optional. Now keep this in your freezer, that is the freezer section of your refrigerator, and let it sit till the ice cream is done. It sets. So normally I keep it for a day, but yeah, it does not take that much time. If you take out a slice of this cake or if you slice this into pieces, you need to keep them in the freezer section. So you can store this in your freezer and this would stay good up to 2 weeks. I hope you liked the recipe. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy!